Crash course on Finland. Finland, the land of 1,000 lakes and stunning natural landscapes, is a northern European gem known for its picturesque beauty and outdoor adventures. Let's explore the geographical uniqueness, breathtaking landscapes, and outdoor activities that make Finland a dream destination. Along the way, I'll share some exciting stories and examples to excite your wanderlust. Geolocation and natural landscapes. Located in northern Europe, Finland shares borders with Sweden, Norway, and Russia. Its geography is characterized by vast forests, serene lakes, and breathtaking coastlines. The midnight sun in summer and the northern lights in winter are awe-inspiring natural phenomena that can be witnessed in Finland's Arctic regions. Outdoor adventures and national parks. Finland offers a plethora of outdoor activities throughout the year. In summer, explore the pristine wilderness by hiking, biking, or canoeing. Experience the magic of Finnish Lapland with a reindeer sleigh ride or husky safari. In winter, indulge in thrilling snow sports like skiing, snowboarding, and snowmobiling. Interesting story. One fascinating tradition in Finland is the concept of everyman's right, which allows everyone to roam freely in nature regardless of land ownership. This unique law grants the freedom to camp, pick berries and mushrooms, and enjoy the beauty of Finland's countryside responsibly. Top 12 attractions in Finland. 1. Helsinki, the vibrant capital with architectural marvels and cultural treasures. 2. Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa Claus in Lapland. 3. Suomenlinna, a UNESCO World Heritage Fortress in Helsinki's archipelago. 4. Aurora Borealis, experience the mystical northern lights in Finnish Lapland. 5. Lake Saimaa, Finland's largest lake, perfect for cruising and relaxing. 6. Nuuksio National Park, a nature lover's paradise with beautiful hiking trails. 7. Levi Ski Resort, a popular winter destination for skiing and snowboarding. 8. Savonlinna, home to the medieval Olavinlinna Castle and an annual opera festival. 9. Turku, Finland's oldest city with a fascinating history and riverfront charm. 10. Kemi Snow Castle, a magnificent ice fortress and snow hotel. 11. Åland Islands, an autonomous archipelago with a unique cultural blend. 12. Heim Castle, a medieval castle and museum in Hämeenlinna. Summarize. Finland's natural beauty and outdoor adventures make it an enchanting destination. From the vibrant capital of Helsinki to the Arctic wonders of Lapland, there's something for everyone. Explore the pristine national parks, witness the awe-inspiring northern lights, and experience the magic of everyman's right. Finland promises a memorable and unforgettable journey. Poem. In Finland's land, where beauty lies, 1,000 lakes neath endless skies, the midnight sun and northern light, nature's wonders, pure delight. With reindeer sleighs through Lapland's snow, Santa's home, a sight to know. In Helsinki, a city's grace, architectural marvels embrace. Through forests green and waters blue, adventure calls, a dream come true. A land of freedom, nature's right, to roam and wander day and night. In Åland's Isles and Turku's tale, medieval wonders never pale. The snow castles grand, ice realms gleam. In Nuuksio, a hiker's dream. From Levi's slopes to Savonlinna's grace, Finland's treasures you'll embrace. A journey filled with joy and glee. In Finland's heart, your soul set free. Song. Verse 1. In Finland's land of 1,000 lakes, a melody of nature, it awakes. With forests green and waters clear, a symphony of beauty, so sincere. Chorus. Oh, Finland, land of wonder and grace, in your embrace, I find my place. From Lapland's snow to Helsinki's lights, a song of love, this land ignites. Verse 2. The midnight sun, a golden gleam, In summer's glow, a poet's dream. And when the winter's chill arrives, the northern lights dance in the skies. Chorus. Oh, Finland, land of wonder and grace. In your embrace, I find my place. From Lapland's snow to Helsinki's lights, a song of love, this land ignites. Bridge. In Helsinki's heart, a city's beat. With culture, art, and history sweet. The reindeer roam through Lapland's lands, where Santa's sleigh takes its grandstand. Chorus. Oh, Finland, land of wonder and grace. In your embrace, I find my place. From Lapland's snow to Helsinki's lights, a song of love, this land ignites. Verse 3. From Turku's tales to Alan's shores, ancient castles and folklore roars. In Nuuksio's woods we find delight, and on Lake Saimaa we sail at night. Chorus. Oh, Finland, land of wonder and grace. In your embrace, I find my place. From Lapland's snow to Helsinki's lights, a song of love, this land ignites. Outro. In Finland's heart, we stand as one, a land of dreams beneath the sun. With every note, our spirits soar. In Finland's song, forevermore. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.